Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of networking by diving into the fascinating world of IP datagrams. Just like Ethernet frames have their own structure, IP datagrams do too, and we're going to break it down step by step. Imagine data traveling through the internet as parcels, and each parcel has a name, an IP datagram. Similar to how we put a letter in an envelope, data is structured into two main parts, the header and the payload. Now, let's dive into the header. The header is the first part of an IP datagram, and it's packed with information. The very first thing it tells us is the version of the Internet protocol in use. Think of it as the language of the Internet. Most commonly, we use IPv4, but IPv6 is gaining popularity. Next, we have the header length field. It's like the size of the envelope. For IPv4, it's usually 20 bytes, the minimum size to hold all the necessary information. Moving on, there's the service type field, which is like a sticker on the envelope, indicating how important the parcel is. It's all about quality of service technologies. Then we have the total length field, which is like counting the pages in a letter. It tells us the size of the entire IP datagram. The identification field is like giving a secret code to each parcel so we can group related ones together. Now, imagine if our parcel is too big for a mailbox, we need to split it up. That's called fragmentation, and it's like breaking a big parcel into smaller ones. The time to live or TTL field is super important. It tells us how many stops the parcel can make before giving up. It's like setting a limit to avoid endless loops. The protocol field is like telling the delivery person how to handle the parcel, whether it's a regular delivery or a quick postcard. Now, think of the source and destination IP addresses as the senders and recipients' addresses on an envelope. They're both 32 bits long, like having really long addresses for every location on the internet. There's another field called IP options, which is like adding special instructions to the parcel, but it's optional. Sometimes, it's followed by a padding field, just extra space to make everything fit nicely. And now, the grand finale, encapsulation. It's like putting your letter inside an envelope. But here's the twist, the entire IP datagram becomes the payload inside an even bigger envelope called an Ethernet frame. It's like a letter inside an envelope inside another envelope. So, there you have it, IP datagrams explained in simple terms. They're like the parcels of the internet, carrying data from one place to another. If this video helped you understand better, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to, and feel free to drop your questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, networking is all about layers, just like parcels within envelopes. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and happy networking.